isasagot po nila ay, what will we do? Okay, trial natin ha?
What will we do?
The boat is sinking!
What will we do?
Jollibee wants to group yourself. Pag sinabi ko, Jollibee wants to group yourself into two, dapat sa isang miyembro, sa isang grupo, may dalawang miyembro. Maintindihan ba nila mga Jollibee? Ulitin ko ha. Pag sinabi ni Ate Grace na, Jollibee wants to group yourself into two, dapat sa isang grupo, may dalawang miyembro. Kung sino man ang mga malapit sa inyo, yakapin nila sila para may kagroup na kayo. Okay? Okay, ayan. Start na natin, mga Jolly Kids. The boat is sinking. Jolly wants to group yourself into five. Group yourself into five. Group yourself into five. Sino out? Ready, four, five. Two, four. Kulang pa lang isa dito. Isa pa. Wala. Na-out ng ating mga big kids. Si Ate Irene. And si Kuya Carol, Alison, and Kuya. Thank you for joining. See you sa next game, mga kuya and ate. Okay, listen na mga Jolly Kids. The boat is sinking. Jollibee wants to group yourself into three. Ayan, yung mga adults natin, nakikisali na sila. Oh, sino out? Si Eliza. Ayan, thank you for joining, Eliza. Sali ka na lang sa next game, ate. Thank you. Okay, ayan mga Jolly Kids. Let's form a big circle again. Hey, the boat is sinking. Jollibee wants to group yourself into five. Group yourself into four. Ayan. Si Kuya RJ. Si Kuya J. Naiwan si Kuya J. Ayan. Sabi ko, group yourself into four, hindi five. Thank you for joining. Can you share a big circle again, mga Jolly Kids?
Nainggit na si Rap, nainggit na.
Ayaw niya kasing sumali ka na, pwede ko.
Wala na.
Again.
Okay, the boat is sinking. Jollibee wants to group yourself into seven. Group yourself into seven. Ayan, naiinit na si Lola. Naiinit na si Kuya. Naiinit na mga Jolly Kids. Sino out? Ay, umiiyak na sino. Okay, ulitin natin.
Gabriel.
Anong masasabi mo kay Ate Sia dahil ngayon ang kanyang birthday?
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, happy birthday! Ayan, si Kuya Dan. Anong pangalan mo, Kuya? Kay Sia.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Sia. Ayan.
What's
What's your name?
Oh, sige na. Riel Salvador.
How old are you?
3.
Ayan, kaanoan mo si Sia?
Cousin.
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 Cousin. Yes, yeah, you have prize.
Cousin.
Anong masasabi mo kay Sia?
Happy birthday, Asia.
Ayan, happy birthday, Sia! At syempre, Kuya Edward! Anong masasabi mo kay Sia, Kuya Edward? Happy birthday, Sia! Ayan,